Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we convert rows into column in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table here, as you can see. So we will be converting rows into columns. So what I'll do is I'll just select all, Control C. Then what I'll do is I'll just go to a new sheet here, and what I'll do is I just go here, and here you can see there is transpose. Just I'll click here. As you can see here, if I zoom this a bit, as you can see now my column is in rows and my rows is in column format. This is how you can do the transpose method to convert rows into column. And another way is I can do is I'll just type equal to here, let's say equal to transpose, just press tab and I'll select the array here, and if I press enter, so now my rows and columns are interchanged. My rows are converted into column and my columns are converted into rows. This is the way we can use transpose and can change my rows into column. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.